this happens. Styling with long hair is actually really difficult, and I really want to look presentable on camera. I have an important announcement to make. If you guys are living in Hyderabad or you guys are from in and around Hyderabad, you can always come down to our store, which is in Sindhi Colony. Location is down in the description, or you can call us on this number, or you can message us on the DressUpHomi Instagram page. Let's book an appointment, come here, check out the fabric, feel the fabric, and let's rock homies. You guys know that we booked the new Tata Tiago EV. We actually booked the top of the line, but I'm okay to take any variant as long as it's a long range. We made 2 videos regarding the short range and long range, which variant is better for you. So do check them out. And in this video, I finally getting an opportunity to test drive the new Tata Tiago EV. There is the car which we are planning to take. The car looks similar to the iCNG and the petrol variant. The only difference it has is this .EV badging and this new color scheme, and also little bit of blue accents which run below the headlight, and obviously the front grille is closed, and when you go inside it's locked. You don't have the gear, it's an automatic, so all EVs are automatic. And when you're talking about the wheels, though these look alloy, these are just wheel covers, plastic wheel covers. They look good, but alloy would do a better look, gives a better look on this car. I can understand the reason why they have given plastic wheel covers and they almost completely cover the wheel. That's because of drag coefficient ke liye, blah blah blah. The color which we booked is this gunmetal grey. I think it looks quite decent. I mean, this is the only color which we wanted to take. There are too many whites in our house, and there's a plum color which I didn't like, and there is that sky blue color which is okayish, and there's another deep blue, that color. To be honest, in pictures it was not looking beautiful, but in person it is looking very good. I don't mind if I get this color too. Top end vehicle, is it? Region 3 right now, and my foot is completely off the gas, so it's just coasting at 3-4 kilometers. And if I press this, region 2, region 1 and region off, and when you go to region off, it will just coast, it will not brake, it will not take in all the electricity. In city traffic, if you want maximum efficiency, maximum region levels as well. And on the highway, if you want maximum efficiency, you should turn off the region completely off, because you can coast all along even without putting your leg on the gas pedal. I'm sorry, this is not a gas pedal, on electricity pedal. These are the cruise control buttons, volume controls. You have auto wipers, you have auto headlamps, and you can see the gearbox is slightly weird because it is very slow to respond. So right now I'm in D, my foot should be on the brake. If I turn, then I go to sports mode, and if I turn back slowly, it goes into neutral, then again turn back, reverse. So that's the reverse camera. Sensors are missing in this car. So lock, unlock. This is for the fuel cap, the electricity cap. Fog lamps, yeah, this is for fog lamps. Right now is in sports mode and full throttle. That's okay, that's quite good. That's actually impressive for a city car. Nahi baba, we'll go back to normal drive. Even in drive, it's quite peppy. So what all do you get? No mirror here, no vanity mirror here, but you get a vanity mirror here. This is not electronically adjustable. These are, that's nice. I see in the new car, the Citroen E5, on that car you have those very old school manual pedals. Brick socket, and this USB is used to play Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That is not USB Type-C, that's a USB Type-A. This is actually set to my driving position, and very limited knee room, plenty of headroom though. It's okay for city. It's okay for city. Probably 2-3 hours, I'm fine here. Though you're getting a bottle holder here, there is no rear AC vents. you can't place any bottles here or there. There is no central armrest, so the only bottle place is this. That definitely can't hold a 1 liter bottle because it is a cup holder, and you have a bottle holder there. And when it comes to the key, this key is exactly similar to the Safari key which we have, though this is the top end. That is the reason why you're getting a wireless key and you're getting that stop start button. If you go to lower end models in this car, you will get a key placement here. And AC off, car off. This lever is to lift the boot, and no engine but a lot of motors. Definitely can't store anything here. I'm actually not used to electric cars at all. The car is on already. So is this one touch? No. This is one touch. Only the front window is one touch. And lights, you have one LED light in the middle, not at the front, not at the back. That's about it. This is a start point to EV market in India. This is the cheapest EV car which you can buy right now in India. I have no idea about the Citroen EV prices because that car is actually not looking any promising, and Citroen is a big flop in India. You can't trust that car anymore or that company anymore. Whenever you buy a EV car, let's talk about the Tata Tiago EV. The petrol counterpart of this car is 3.5 lakhs, cheaper than the electric. So you can spend close to 3 lakh rupees of fuel and 50,000 rupees extra on servicing. That's when you try to break even. That's a small niggle which I have in back of my mind, whether buying an EV is worth it. But the main reason I'm buying an EV, if I purchase this, the other cars will roam less. That is one of the main reasons why. People who didn't see the previous video, there are two variants. There are two engine options. One is the low range with 250 kilometers claimed mileage, and the other one is 315. So I am going for the 315 one. The top end gets cruise control, push start, and a fast charger. I will charge this car overnight. I'll not take this car on highways. Push start, I can live with a key fob. So I'm paying 52, 62, 70,000 rupees approximately for the higher end variants. Rohit is actually insisting me that let's take the top end. There is no point in taking the lower variants. We are still having a debate, but we have booked the top end. Let's see when it will come. This is the EV. That is a CNG, and that is a petrol. All of them, they look similar, and in every Tata showroom you get this DC charger, DC fast charger, where you can charge your cars, I think, for free, if you have a Tata vehicle, that is. All in all, did I really like the new Tata Tiago EV? Yes. See, it's not the most quickest of EVs which I've ridden. It is not the most great looking, it is not the most spacious. What it is, it's a very affordable EV alternative car. This alternative as in the second or third car which you have in your garage. It's a good city dweller where you can, because of the small profile, you can find parking for this car quite easily, and also charging options are quite plenty. The Tata showrooms are everywhere where you can fast charge your car. There are better cars. There are Nexon EV is an amazing car. The ZS EV is an amazing car. The BYD Auto 3 looks killer with the price tag which it comes on. I can understand it's a Chinese manufactured, but all Teslas have BYD batteries in them. So, and if you see in the world, largest EV manufacturers are BYD. So it's a good promising company, but again, that car is upwards of 37 lakhs, and EVs, because of the range limitations and range anxiety, you will generally not take this car out of the city limits. So that is the reason why I wanted to spend as less as possible on EV and save a lot of money in petrol. And whenever I go on the highway, I have other diesel and petrol cars. So that is my thinking, and that is the main reason why I have shortlisted on the Tiago EV. As you can see, even the sales guy was like, why don't you try the Tigor EV? Tigor EV pretty much the same car, but you're spending 2.5 lakhs extra on the Tiago EV, and that will land up to 15 lakhs, which I don't want to do at all. I want to spend a ballpark figure close to 10 lakhs. So 1 lakh yahan wahan is acceptable, not more than that. Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys really like this vlog and hope you guys understood why we have chosen the Tiago EV. And if you are in the market, hope this help you shortlist few cars, especially the Tiago. See you guys in the next vlog. Till then, peace out.